Do you know how wastewater is treated? It all starts in a wastewater treatment plant where water goes through different processes to be cleaned and reused. It all begins when the water arrives at the plant, but it doesn't come alone. It carries everything we throw away: plastics, branches, and sand. First, we remove the big stuff. In this stage, all those materials are taken out to protect the system and prepare the water for what's next. Now it gets interesting. The water enters a stage where millions of microorganisms get to work, invisible but powerful. They consume the organic matter and begin transforming the water. Next, the water moves into a separation process. The sludge settles at the bottom while the water continues its journey. Some of that sludge is returned to keep the process alive, and the rest is treated separately. Nothing goes to waste. Finally, the last step, disinfection. This is where harmful bacteria and microorganisms are eliminated, and just like that, what once looked like waste becomes a resource. At Be Clear, we design wastewater treatment plants that make this entire process possible, efficiently, reliably, and sustainably.